everybody, this is a video for the Refuge cabin. So I just wanted to have everybody see what it's all about and show you as much as I could to make sure that your stay again went as smoothly as possible. So this is the driveway in. It's just a regular dirt road, a little bit of an incline, and then there's the Refuge. So when I do this video, try to picture this four seasons. Sometimes we're absolutely covered in snow, but it's gorgeous during the winter time. All right, so there's a personal fire pit here. We keep more chairs up by the cabin so you guys can sit and enjoy the fire pit and the view. We have a charcoal barbecue grill. We do not stock the charcoal. We do have firewood. We've got a little baby splitter down there. We also don't stock lighter fluid. There are the garbage cans. You just call when they're full. We come pick them up. All right, let's get into this cabin. All right, welcome to the Refuge. So this cabin has 3 queen beds and 2 futons. Here's a little mudroom. In the wintertime, we have Christmas decorations, and there's 2 sets of snowshoes. We put in 2 snow sleds. There's plenty of shelves to stock pop and helmets and whatever else you guys bring. All right, so here's a little seating area. There you go. And the kitchen. You can put out a lot of food from this kitchen. It's great for entertaining. There you go. Wood stove, the decoration, and then again out the window during the winter time you can actually watch the family sled or the friend sled down the hill while you're inside enjoying coffee. We always stock coffee, whether it's K-cups or a little bit of the grounds. If you have favorites that you like, definitely bring them. But other than that, we got you covered. Okay, so dishwasher, we supply soaps, so hand soap, dish soap, even shampoos and conditioners. We supply some cleaners so you can help yourself if you've got spills while you stay here. Other than that, we got propane stove. If you have any questions about how to use it, just let us know. Refrigerator, it's got an ice maker, but if you can't keep up and you plan on using lots and lots of ice, just bring some extra bags. Now we've got some staircases in here, so if you need help up and down the stairs, definitely have a family member help you or watch the little ones. So let's go up. Upstairs is the sleeping area, just separated by this communal level. As you can see, the stairs are, you gotta watch it, use a handrail. This is the sleeping area upstairs. It's got an excellent view. Queen bed, TV, DVD, no Wi-Fi, no regular TV, so we only have a DVD library and some people stream onto the television. All right, little spot for clothes, little seating area, more spots for clothes, and bathroom set up very much like Cabin Eleanor. Almost the same. There you go. Double shower head too. All right, let's get you out on the deck. Got to be careful out on the deck. Watch the kiddos. It's fantastic for spotting wildlife. There's a really good breeze today. We have a myriad of just different seating set along the whole thing. But it's gorgeous out here. In the fall, it's beautiful. And again, love the winter too. I gotta keep bringing it up because it's hard to picture when it's all sunny like this. I wanted to walk all the way around the deck so everybody can get an idea of how secluded this cabin is. Yes, we're on a resort, but its hallmark for the 2 cabins is that we're still able to have it secluded because there's so many acres. So, as you can see, there is nothing around whatsoever. And that's the path to get in here. Another seating area. All right, let's get you downstairs. There is AC in this cabin as well. And heat too, of course. All right. Again, careful down the stairs. There's another one. We tucked books and games all over this cabin. Every little nook and cranny that we can. And above the refrigerator, we hid Lincoln Logs. I know that not everybody wants to bust out the Lincoln Logs and clean those up, but they're there if you feel so inclined. All right, downstairs. Turn on the light. Is another sleeping quarters. So it's got one queen bed. There she is. And another full bathroom. And another TV. So, I love this basement. It has an absolutely gorgeous ceiling. And it's got a real wood fireplace. Guests are able to use this fireplace. If you know what you're doing, sign a waiver and we can give you a little rundown as to how to do it. I'm gonna back up. So there's TV, some more DVDs, and the other futon, and then the bathroom. There we go. Set up a little bit differently than the others, but still 2 shower heads. And again, like I said before, we do stock soaps. So if you're in a pinch and you forget, we have some. Linens for this bathroom are back here. And some little spots there. And here's this part. There we go. This is a big sliding door and it hides all of the utilities. See, now it's back. I know that my videoing is probably awful, but the cabin really, really is gorgeous. Now, let's get you outside. Here, you can see, is another patio on walkout ground level. And it's got another little seating area. And that is the Refuge cabin. If you guys have any other questions, you know that you can call the main number. This is a utility room in here, so. All right,